In a digital landscape where the average person receives 121 emails per day, standing out just isn't a goal, it's a survival strategy. Imagine capturing the attention of your subscribers in an inbox battlefield where only 40% of emails even get opened. Today, we're pulling back the curtain on a groundbreaking study of 20,000 email campaigns that reveals exactly how the most successful marketers are winning the open rate war. Now, before we jump into the juicy tips, let's talk about how we got this data. For the insights we gathered, we compared the characteristics of the 10,000 top performing email campaigns with those of 10,000 of the bottom performing ones. We're talking campaigns sent to over 1,000 subscribers each, so you know this research is pretty solid. Now let's break down the top 10 ways to get more eyeballs on your emails. First up, the subject line. Size matters, and in email marketing, 20 to 40 characters is the sweet spot when it comes to subject lines. Why? Well, mobile inboxes typically show about 30 characters. Anything longer and your brilliant subject line is gonna get cut off. So you don't wanna do that. And then also pro tip, think of your subject line like a movie trailer. Short, punchy, and leaving them wanting more. That's what you ultimately want. And segment your email list like a boss. Here's a mind-blowing stat. Campaigns using subscriber filters are 28% more likely to be opened. So imagine sending a sports gear email to people who actually love sports instead of blasting everyone with the same generic message. It's like giving your subscribers a personalized high five instead of just a boring generic handshake. Most people ignore the preheader, but not you. Top performing campaigns are 22% more likely to use custom preheaders. Think of it as your subject line's wingman, helping you to seal the deal. So utilize it. Emoji everything. Well, almost everything. If you want to make your emails stand out, emojis can increase your open rates by 21%. You just don't want to go overboard. We're sending emails not having an emoji dance party. So keep it in line with your brand and the tone that you're going for. And of course, personal touch. Here's a quick hack though. Using a personal sender name can boost opens by nearly 4%. Instead of MailerLite marketing, try Carrie at MailerLite. It's like adding a friendly face to your email, and it really changes everything. Also, timing is everything. Pro timing tip, 3 p.m. to 7 p.m. is the email sweet spot on weekdays. And on weekends, early morning actually works best because apparently people love newsletters with their morning coffee. And automation is your friend. Automated emails, they're the superheroes of email marketing and makes your life so much easier. The first email in an automation can have a 53% higher open rate than regular campaigns. So it's like having a marketing assistant who never sleeps. And don't spam, be strategic. Remove inactive subscribers. It might sound harsh, but it's like pruning a plant. Sometimes you need to cut back to help these things grow. And doing that with your email list really does help. Resend strategy. Now, if you have subscribers who missed your first email, resend to the non-openers. Some brands see up to 45% more opens just with this trick. And content is king. Bottom line, send stuff people actually want to read. Use surveys, track the metrics, and keep reiterating to make sure that every email you pump out is one that's going to hit the inbox. Email marketing isn't just a strategy, it's a science. And our deep dive into 20,000 campaigns reveals that success isn't about luck, it's about precision. These 10 strategies are your roadmap to transforming passive subscribers into engaged readers, turning overlooked emails into must-read content. And the data doesn't lie. Implement these tactics and you're not just sending emails, you're crafting communication that demand attention. And that's a wrap on this one. Hope you found it valuable. If you did, share it with a friend. Also, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't already. With that said, thanks for watching, and I'll catch you all in the next one.